Hi, I'm Will at Bunk Glass. Today we're going to have a look at the upgraded 1033 window. This is a clamping window that you can fit directly to metal. Also fits in a lot of capsules, pods, flares. So we're going to have a look at what's in the box and how we fit this window. So here we have the old 1033 window and the new 1033 window side by side, so you can see the differences between the two. So this with the old one, this seal wasn't as large as it can be, or wasn't as close to the glass. So on the new one, it's got a larger seal which is closer to the glass. On the old one we had very small drainage holes. The new window has a much larger drainage hole there, and then there's a couple of differences on the back. So that's the back of the 1033 window with its fly screen, and the new updated version just has a slightly different latch with a different fixing, so it doesn't rattle as you're going down the road. It doesn't squeak or make a noise. So that's the back of the glass. In the box you will find the window itself. You will find a cutout template. This is really good, saves you lots of time because it's the exact size that you need. There's no measuring, there's no guesswork, there's no trying to work out what size the corners need to be. With this, you offer it up to your van, you can use a Sharpie to draw around it and then cut the metalwork out, knowing that it is the right size for the window. It also comes with an inner clamp ring, and this makes fitting really easy because once you cut your hole out, this fits on the inside of the window and it all bolts together, it all clamps together with the provided screws. So a really easy window to fit because there's no adhesive to use, there's no cleaning process, no priming process, no applying the adhesive. It's basically just cut a hole with the template provided, fit the inner ring and clamp it all together. Really easy window to fit. So just to run through some of the frequently asked questions that we get about this window, the main one being customers tend to ask, will it fit my van? Well, this is a universal window, so as it's not specific to any spot on the vehicle. It can be fitted direct to metal in any position on the van. So as long as you've got enough space for that to fit, then yes, it will fit. This window is also commonly fitted to a lot of pods, capsules, bump outs. It's worth checking with the manufacturer first, but this is pretty much an international standard of what seems to be fitted to those. There's not a lot of other windows that do fit it, that do fit the capsule, so this really is the main one. And the other question that we tend to get a lot is it easy to fit? Well, clamping windows are definitely one of the easiest windows to fit, 100% they are, because it comes with the template, so you've got everything that you need to make sure that the cutout is correct for that window. There's nothing worse than cutting a window out and then realising that it's all too big. So with this you can't really go too far wrong. As long as you're cutting out to this shape and size, then that window will fit. The other question that we also get asked a lot of the time is, what do we need to seal this window? So once you cut the hole out using the template, what else do you need to seal that window to stop any water going in? Well, the window itself comes with a seal of foam on the back of there, and that's made by 3M. So that seals the window. So once you've fitted the window and then you've clamped the inner ring together and tightened it all together, and so it's all sandwiched together, that's the only seal that you need. So that comes pre-installed on the window, ready to go. I know in the instruction book that it does say fit it, but we've already fitted it for you. It's all there, ready to go. There you go, that's the 1033 upgraded window, available now at vantechglass.com. Overall, probably one of my favourite windows of all, really, mainly because it's so easy to fit with the provided template. There's no bonding involved, keeps everything nice and easy. It's a really nice, it's an easy window to use. Nice big opening to allow lots of ventilation. You're also protected with the fly screen there. Overall, an amazing window. Hopefully we've covered everything that you need to know. If not, by all means ask away. More than happy to answer any questions. There you go, that's the 1033 window from Bunk Glass.